A great way to start to learn about energy flow in ecosystems is to look at a simple food chain. I say simple because food chains are rather simple in that they just describe the energy transfer from one organism to another. So there are producers, which would be at the bottom level, and that would be trophic level 1. And then there are primary consumers, that would be trophic level 2. Secondary consumers, trophic level 3. And tertiary consumers, which would be trophic level 4. And you can have more than 4 trophic levels, but in this example we have the 4. So producers are consumed by primary consumers are consumed by secondary consumers, and secondary consumers are consumed by tertiary consumers. So even some of that energy that started at the producer level is still being consumed by the tertiary consumer because it all flows through the food chain.